What's up everyone? We just checked in at the hotel room. It's freaking crazy. There's like 5,000 rooms, hotel rooms here. So basically what we're gonna do today, we're gonna go to the direct factory outlet in South Wharf, trying to look at all those sneaker deals and all that. I don't know, maybe we can even ask them if they have the Yeezys, like either the Sesames or the semi-frozen yellows. I saw like they're still sitting at like Foot Locker or something like that. And yeah, we're gonna go hit up Foot Locker as well. There's like the main one with all the House of Hoops and all that, and there's also the Off-White store in Melbourne, so I want to go there. I know there's and then the best sneaker consignment shop here in Melbourne, so that's Secret Sneaker Store. That's where I get most of my all my streetwear and all that. And yeah, that's basically what the video is going to be today. Bro, there's not even a sale in Gucci. Why are you all lining up there for? We're at DFO. Right now the deal is 40% off store-wide. So, God, it's so awkward holding a vlogging camera. Not many people vlog in Australia. So right now I'm just feeling hella awkward. But 40% off store-wide, that's usually a great deal. For sneakers, usually they exclude Ultra Boosts mostly, so alright, we'll collab with the NMD R1. So it's got, I thought they had the OG blocking with the red and the blue, but no, it's not the case. So retail was 300, but 210 with further 40%. Here you got a pair of Ultra Boost Uncaged for $182 with extra 40% off. Pack women NMD R2, the runner over there. Full size one as well, seems like. So there you go. And they got the NMD XR1, the mid-winters. So that's 182 with a further 40% hybrid. So we got the Ultra Boost midsole right there, 210 with 40% off. Adidas for the streetwear, not much, like just traditional Adidas, like athlete clothing for like sports. We're heading up to Nike right now. Hopefully there'll be more better stuff there. If not, I don't know what else we'll do. Probably just hit up the designer stores downstairs. They're in the Nike factory outlet right now, so we'll just go see if they have more like shoes you can't get in retail stores right now. Air Max 1 anniversary colorway with the Air Max 90 bottom midsole. So like the fusions that they've been doing like often. So that's pretty dope to find. But right now it's $140. I don't know if there's additional prices, but leather on this is crazy butter. And yeah, it's really high quality materials actually. I'm just like, bro, these are gonna sell quick. So you got from light gray, from like a wolf gray to like a more of a darker smoke gray with the Vapor Max bottoms and the Air Max Plus upper. So right now, yeah, $100 off of retail. That's pretty dope fine. We've got the triple white pair as well. And yeah, I actually own a pair of these, the tonal gray Air Max minus. Paid $180. The Nike Zoom Spiridons, like, you know, a lot of people have been liking these, so, and I personally like it a lot. Like the detailing on this is crazy. And yeah, 50% off 150, so that's 75 bucks. Not a bad price for the Nike Spiridons. Odyssey React. So these are really good for like a runner shoe. So like again with the athlete show, 120. I don't know how much retail was, maybe 180. Yeah, 180. Christmas video that I had, like 5 essential gifts for a sneakerhead. You saw that affordable sneakers one there, and you guys thought that it was like unbelievable. You could buy cheap sneakers for under 50 bucks. Right here, again, the Roshi 2s, $50. And they have like full size ones. There's like hella tons of boxes right there. So, and there you go, the dual tone braces as well, $60. So that's pretty good as well for a sneakerhead, like a essential runner shoe. Vibe here right now. There's a sun. There's a thing right there, bro. $70 with additional 30% off. Got that brand recognition. This one's a bit more low key. Oh, bro, such fuzz. Yeah, there you go. Summer vibes. Like they got everything here, like a little Carhartt type of design right there. There you go, gray heather t-shirts. I don't know if you want to wear that in summer. They're gonna show little plastic flag tees. These come in really good colors, like, you know, got a royal blue, got a little like turquoise, little like, oh, what color did you call this? Forest green? I know you got a little stone blue, gray, little like a jade green or something like that. Orange, light blue, salmon. Like soft, because you don't know how awkward it is to film in Australia in a place where it's packed with tourists and then everybody's just going around. So right now I'm just going to the more low-key and like upstairs DFO where they have all the homemaker stuffs as well. So if you guys want to build your home, this is where you go, get the best deals. Yeah, it's more quiet here because no one really wants to buy all this. They just go down to the factory stuff. But still, yeah, it's really quiet here, so I don't want to be too loud. But yeah, it's just so awkward. Like in America, sort of you see vloggers like everywhere. The whole entire, that was the shopping at Hypebeast outlets in, yeah, and basically DFO South Wharf. If you guys are ever in Australia, want to check it out. It's a really good place as well, because there's some times when you can't really get any sneakers that release in Australia, but yeah, because you can't find them at retail stores. Like sometimes they don't stock all of their sneakers there. Shoes that you didn't really know released because they didn't really have them on display in the shelves at Foot Locker or in your like local sneaker store. So it's really good to go to DFO, and sometimes they have a lot of steals, like those Spiridons retail and those were $230, but then right there $150 with an extra 50% off, so that came down to $75. I don't know if I'm gonna pick those up because I have a lot of navy runners, but they are an essential. And one of my favorite YouTubers as well, Richie Lee, like, you know, Tan in Hype Talk with Big Boy Johnny. Tan, like, he's been loving the Spiridons with the OG colorway with the red and silver. So he basically got me onto the Spiridon, so shout out to Tan. The focus is getting out of crazy. Anyway, like, leave comments in the description telling me what videos you want to see in the future. So if you guys want me to go like a sneaker collection video, or like a streetwear collection video, or how to get like the best streetwear in Australia with all the consignment shops and all that, because consignment shops here, they are way different than stuff in like like America. Because some consignment stores, they actually sell them for way over the resale price. Like they had a pair of cream light Yeezys, they had them going for 500 Australian bucks when really they were only supposed to go for like maybe 370. So sometimes it's not that good. But yeah, you can find Bape stuff there for like maybe 180. 180 is usually the base price for stuff. A t-shirt, sorry. But yeah, so let me know down in the comments below. Please like, please subscribe. Peace.